guys, making a quick demo on how to start the profile project. So you're going to print out a picture of yourself with a profile. Make sure that it's big enough. See how I filled this entire frame? That's really important. So it's important because when you go to put it down on your paper, you want it to fill up most of your paper. If you make your picture too far away, it's going to be too small. And you won't have enough, you'll have too much space in the background called the negative space and not enough space to design inside your actual profile. So like I said, if you do not have a printer at home, you actually can just bring up a picture of yourself on the iPad and take your paper and put it on top of the iPad and trace on that. Just go lightly, use a pencil just to get the outline. And then you pull it off the iPad and then you can actually see your profile. Make sure to take a picture close up so that your whole head is like basically the iPad, because the iPad is a lot smaller than what you probably would print out. So you just have to adapt a little bit to that. So you're going to take your picture, you print it out, you're going to cut it. I'm going to go quickly because it's a demo. You guys should go slowly because you want to make sure you don't chop the nose off or something weird. You make yourself look like not you. So I'm going around my facial features. Again, also larger makes it easier to cut. If it's super tiny, it's hard to cut. So I'm cutting this out around my lips, around my cheek. Sometimes people have questions about like hair. If you have your hair up, sometimes it starts to look a little bit more like just like a full the body. If you have your hair in a ponytail, if you have boys' hair and it's shorter, it'll look different. Just depends on what profile you want. Sometimes people like to draw in the hair. Some people like to just work with the space. It's up to you. You can see from the examples, there's lots of different ways to do it. So I take that, I put my, I don't know if you guys can't really see very well, but I'm putting this down on the paper. I'm gonna have to get creative with how to show you. Put it down at the bottom of the page, you don't want a floating head, so make sure it's at the bottom. You're gonna put this down. Some people like to use a little tape, like to keep it totally down. I'm just gonna use my hand to go around it. Because again, I'm going kind of quick because it's a demo. I want you guys to go a little slower. Going around the head. Let's see. And then all set. Then, if you guys can see, you have a perfectly traced profile of yourself. And now you're free to go in and design anything you want on the inside. Make sure you do at least 10 things. I find that more the better. Keep filling it up. I want to know all about you. I want to know as many details as possible so I can get to know you really quickly through your drawing. Any questions, you guys know you can always email me if you're having trouble, or if we are live in class, hopefully you can ask questions in class. Thank you, and hopefully that was nice and clear.